Have you ever stood frozen at the coffee machine, wrestling with the seemingly simple choice between a latte and a cappuccino? It's a moment that might seem trivial, but it actually represents a much larger and more complex process that our brains go through every day. This mundane scenario highlights a fundamental aspect of being human. We are constantly making decisions, from the trivial to the life-altering. Every day we are faced with a myriad of choices, each one requiring a different level of thought and consideration. But have you ever stopped to consider the intricate processes happening within your brain that guide these choices? The brain is a complex organ, and the way it processes information to make decisions is nothing short of fascinating. Understanding how we make decisions is essential, not just for satisfying our curiosity about the workings of the mind, but also for improving our ability to navigate the complexities of life. By learning about the decision-making process, we can better understand ourselves and others. By delving into the science behind our choices, we can gain valuable insights into why we act the way we do, and develop strategies for making more informed and fulfilling decisions. This knowledge can empower us to take control of our lives in ways we never thought possible. Our brains are constantly bombarded with information, forcing us to make countless decisions every day. From the moment we wake up to the time we go to bed, our minds are in a perpetual state of decision-making. Some decisions are automatic, like which route to take to work, requiring little to no conscious thought, while others require conscious deliberation, like choosing a career path. These decisions can have long-lasting impacts on our lives and require careful consideration. Regardless of the complexity, each decision we make is shaped by a fascinating interplay of cognitive processes, emotional responses, and environmental influences. Understanding this interplay can help us make better choices and lead more fulfilling lives. To understand the complexities of human decision-making, it's helpful to consider our evolutionary past. Our ancestors faced life or death choices daily, from evading predators to securing food and shelter. These decisions required rapid assessment of threats and opportunities, often with limited information. Over millennia, our brains evolved to make quick, efficient decisions that maximized our chances of survival and reproduction. This evolutionary legacy continues to shape our decision-making processes today, even when faced with choices far removed from our ancestors' challenges. The need for speed and efficiency in decision-making led to the development of mental shortcuts, known as heuristics. While these shortcuts can be helpful in simplifying complex situations, they can also lead to biases and errors in judgment. Our evolutionary history also instilled in us a strong emotional drive in decision-making. Emotions served as powerful motivators, guiding our ancestors towards rewarding experiences and away from potential dangers. In my book, Thinking Fast and Slow, I propose a model of decision-making that consists of two interacting systems, System 1 and System 2. These systems work together to help us navigate the complexities of life, each with its own unique strengths and weaknesses. System 1 is fast, intuitive, and emotional, relying on heuristics and gut feelings to make quick judgments. It operates automatically and effortlessly, often without our conscious awareness. System 2, on the other hand, is slower, more deliberate and analytical, engaging in conscious reasoning and logical evaluation. It requires effort and attention and is typically activated when we encounter more complex or unfamiliar situations. Imagine you're driving and a car suddenly swerves into your lane. In that split second, you don't have time to think through your options. Your System 1 immediately kicks in, triggering a fight or flight response. This system is designed to handle emergencies and immediate threats. You slam on the brakes, avoiding an accident, all before your conscious mind fully processes what happened. This rapid instinctual response is crucial for survival. This rapid instinctual response is System 1 at work. It's always on standby, ready to jump into action when needed. Now, imagine you're trying to choose between two job offers. This decision requires more than just a quick reaction. Both positions have their pros and cons, requiring careful consideration of your long-term goals and priorities. You need to think about salary, job satisfaction, career growth, and work-life balance. This is where System 2 takes over, engaging in a more deliberate process of weighing the options and their potential outcomes. It helps you analyze the details and make a well-informed decision. The interplay between these two systems is crucial to our decision-making. They complement each other, allowing us to handle a wide range of situations effectively. System 1 allows us to navigate routine situations efficiently, while System 2 steps in for more complex or unfamiliar decisions. This balance is essential for our daily functioning. However, this dual system approach is not without its flaws. Each system has its own set of limitations and can sometimes lead us astray. System 1's reliance on heuristics can lead to cognitive biases, causing us to make errors in judgment. These biases can be subtle and often go unnoticed. While System 2's slow, effortful processing can be overridden by emotional impulses or mental fatigue. When we're tired or stressed, our ability to think critically can be compromised, leading to poor decisions. The neural underpinnings of decision-making are incredibly complex, involving a network of brain regions working in concert. These regions communicate through intricate pathways, constantly exchanging information to help us navigate our daily lives. However, certain areas play particularly crucial roles in this process. Understanding these key regions can shed light on how we make choices, both big and small. The prefrontal cortex, located at the front of the brain, is often considered the executive center, responsible for planning, decision-making, and impulse control. This area helps us set goals, evaluate different strategies, and choose the best course of action. It plays a key role in weighing potential outcomes, assessing risks and rewards, and inhibiting impulsive behaviors. By doing so, it allows us to make more thoughtful and deliberate decisions. The amygdala, an almond-shaped structure deep within the brain, is central to processing emotions, particularly fear and anxiety. It acts as an alarm system, alerting us to potential dangers and triggering our fight-or-flight response. It plays a crucial role in our emotional responses to potential threats and rewards, influencing our decisions in emotionally charged situations. This emotional input can sometimes override more rational thought processes. The hippocampus, another deep brain structure, is essential for memory formation and retrieval. It helps us remember past experiences and learn from them, which is vital for making informed decisions. It provides us with the context and past experiences necessary to make informed decisions. By recalling previous outcomes, we can better predict future results and avoid repeating mistakes. These brain regions, along with other interconnected areas, work together to process information, evaluate options, and ultimately guide our choices. This collaborative effort ensures that our decisions are well-rounded and consider multiple perspectives. Understanding the roles of these brain regions provides valuable insights into the neural mechanisms underlying our decision-making processes. By studying these mechanisms, we can better understand human behavior and potentially improve decision-making strategies in various fields.